Most people buy stocks one way. They pick one, pay full price, and hope that it goes up. They are wrong. There's a way to get paid cash up front just for agreeing to buy a stock that you already want. Let me show you how. It's called a cash secured put. It sounds complicated. It's not. Here's what that actually means. You already have stocks you'd love to own, but only at the right price. Normally, you just wait, and waiting pays you nothing. But a cash secured put pays you while you wait. Think of it like this. There's a house that you love to own, but it's priced at $300,000, and honestly, you just think that's a little too high. You'd only buy it at $280,000, so you tell the seller, if it drops to $280,000, I'll buy it. Now imagine the seller pays you $2,000 today just for making that promise. If it drops to $280,000, you buy the house you wanted at the discount you wanted. If it never drops, you keep the $2,000. You're getting paid to wait for your price. Every cash secured put has three parts. 1, the stock, the one you actually want. 2, the strike, the price you're willing to buy at. And 3, the premium, the cash they pay you up front. And cash secured just means one thing. You keep enough cash set aside to actually buy the shares if you have to. No borrowing, no margin, fully covered. So what happens next? Well, one of two things. 1, the stock stays above your strike, the contract expires, and you keep the premium free and clear. 2, the stock drops to your strike, and you buy the shares you wanted at the price you chose, and you still keep the premium. Either way, you got paid. Here's the part most people miss. This isn't just one trade. It's the first step in a strategy called the wheel. Sell a put, get the shares, then sell covered calls on them for even more income. Round and round, cash flow on repeat. So no, you don't have to overpay and hope. You can get paid to wait. That's a cash secured put. No jargon, no confusion, just clarity. If this made options click, then subscribe. In the next video, we're going to break down covered calls, step 2 of the wheel strategy, and we're building a $3,000 portfolio together from scratch. I'll see you there.